Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically save your house to your gallery. So to do that, you are just going to go to build mode first. Oop, a little bit laggy there. No worries. Then you're going to select save to my library, and you're going to save it to the save lot one. You're going to name it and you're going to select save. If it's connected, you can also share a lot to the gallery, but I'm not going to do that. And that's how you can share the lot to the gallery. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!